Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to discuss about 10 ways to get rid of stress. I call it as stress busters. Now, to define what is stress, so it is a blend of strain and a pressure which you get in your life. If you are in a situation where you cannot make a decision, then you will be automatically stressful. So, why I have decided to talk about stress is it is very important to deal with it. There are many lectures that talks about stress and reasons for stress. So, stress is a condition or it is a pressure which is equipped with the puzzle. So, many a time in our life, so we encounter some situations or some conditions or some circumstances where you cannot make a decision. So, then automatically you will be stressful. Now, I have come up with 10 points with me. So, these are called as stress busters. Now, let us discuss one by one. So, to begin with stress buster, so it is these 10 points I made with my complete experience because experience is the better teacher than any other best teacher in our college. Now, let me start with the first point. The very first stress buster is you have to be open minded. So, open minded means you have to talk straight away, expecting nothing in return. So, the moment you are open minded, so all the stress you can release it. So, if you uh, hid some things, then it will have consequences, severe consequences where you cannot overcome it. So let's say that you are asked to do some task in your college or in your company. So if you don't know about it, so you have to say it straight away. And when it comes to relations, the open-minded people are very successful in maintaining relations in the long run than the close-minded people. And second point I would like to say is art of saying no. So you have to say no when you don't know how to do the task or when you are in a very helpless situation. If somebody seek help from you, you have to just say no because art of saying no is very difficult to inculcate. And when you say no, you may lose that person's friendship. So that is the only fear. So fear of losing is the only detrimental factor that avoids you to learn art of saying no. So next time when you are not in a position to do something, when you are asked to do that help, you better say no straight away. So that will help you in the long run. So forget about the relation, at least your stress will come down. And the third point is kill the procrastination. So it means delay. So don't delay things. If you have any things in your mind, you just express it. So when you delay in taking decisions or saying a word, so that will also increase stress. Let's say you are a student in a college and you are given marks, so you failed in a subject and you have to say at your home. Then if you keep on delaying it, even because what happens is generally we don't express our success like our failure. We hide things within us. So that is called delay. So delay will increase stress and it will increase at multiplying levels. So that is very hazardous. And next fourth point is be humble with a fool and with an intelligent. So an intelligent may understand you, but a fool never understand you. So therefore you have to maintain the composure and humility so that your stress will not be increased. So with a fool and with an intelligent, you be humble. This is very simple point. Okay. if somebody throws a comment at you, a fool is very quick to throw a comment at you, you ignore it. An intelligent may understand you or may not understand you. You can think intelligent as a fool if he is not in a position to understand you. No issues, no problems, no regrets. Next, fifth point is don't be wise with all. It doesn't work, because wiseness or sanity is only for few people. If you are over wise with people, so that will affect you. So you have to be little bit diplomatic, little bit strategic. You have to learn how to escape from difficult circumstances, and you have to also learn how to be humanitarian at the same time. So next, sixth point is don't be worried, let the storm pass. Waiting is worth many a time. So when you expect some different circumstance, or when you expect an encounter in life or an accident in life, then you will be worried. So I suggest don't be worried. Just be quiet. The storm will pass. Once storm will pass, there will be uh, there will be a position where you can gain a ground there. Okay, so don't be worried unnecessarily. And seventh point is let bygones and be bygones. So we worry about things that happened in the past, and you are not in a position to rectify it. So when you are helpless and when you are more worried, that will increase the stress. So whatever that happened, leave it aside and don't take anything to your heart. So that will really help you. Please trust me. And eighth point is be clear in what you are thinking. So your thinking will reflect in your face. So the moment you think that the moment your thinking is out of the box, then you are very confident about it. If you don't know how to think in certain circumstances, you better avoid expressing your words there. So you have to be very careful dealing with this kind of conditions. And ninth point is better be quiet. Always your words may not be valued. So many people, what they do is when they are stressed or when they are agitated or when they are very angry, so they express the words. So when somebody is angry, when your loved ones are angry with you, don't talk to them for some time. When you are very angry with your loved ones, you don't talk to them for some time. So you have to maintain this is called tranquility or a quieter nature, so that will avoid your stress. And the last 10th point is haste makes waste. This is an English proverb. So if you are very much hurried and worried and stressed and strained, then you are doing the waste things. So when you understand that you cannot do some things better than the circumstances that you are facing, you better be quiet. So the ninth point and 10th point is almost in a same tune. So these are the 10 stress busters I suggested here. So please like my video and comment it and share it if possible. So please be waiting for my videos, as I'm going to do many videos down the line. So thank you so much.